The Synergy 150A 3-in-1 welder is a versatile tool that combines flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding capabilities, making it perfect for a range of applications from home repair to automotive projects. Featuring advanced synergistic control technology, this welder automatically adjusts voltage and wire feeding speed for an optimal welding process, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Equipped with upgraded IGBT inverter technology and an intelligent voltage stabilizer, it ensures a smooth and stable arc with minimal spatter, resulting in high-quality welds. The welder's large LED digital display allows for easy monitoring of real-time parameters such as current and voltage, enhancing usability even in low-light conditions. Safety is a top priority with built-in protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheating, making it a reliable choice for any welding task. Included accessories such as flux core MIG welder, rods, wire, gloves, and contact tips ensure you have everything needed for immediate use right out of the box.